Hi, my name is Janet. Did you know that making organic hair food is a simple skill that you can learn in just one day? In this learning video, a solution entrepreneur takes us through the steps from selecting ingredients to the mixing process.
There's a lot of chemicals being used on the hair. And with that, people are getting issues with hair breakage. People are getting issues with dandruff. That is a big challenge, and we sought to create a solution for them. My name is Kabateri Nedmond. I'm among the directors and co-founders of Kaki Organics and Nutraceuticals. Our slogan is, what you don't eat, don't put it on your skin and don't put it on your hair. We also use food and herbs and spices to treat conditions like diabetes, hypertension, thyroid issues. Today, I'm going to teach you about purely organic hair food, hair pomade. We start by sanitizing everywhere you're going to work from so that you minimize contamination. We are going to get our oils that was sunseed. It is an emollient, it is going to soften your hair. We are going to add our 1 gram of each herbs that we are going to use, where we are going to use cinnamon, rosemary, and lemongrass. This rosemary is antioxidant. If you are having issues with hair breakage, it is going to help you. Cinnamon will help you so that your hair does not itch. Lemongrass, it helps your hair to grow. When you are getting these raw materials, please use reliable source to use good suppliers. So we are going to get them, we put them in this oil that we have. Then we put on our source of heat. We are going to boil at a minimum temperature for about 10 to 15 minutes. So here we want to infuse, we want the nutrients that are in these herbs to come to our oil, because this is the oil which we shall use later. Then after that, then we shall sieve and remove the residues. Then we remain with the oil, which is now our herbal oil. We add our beeswax. We are going to use beeswax as our thickener. We add our shea butter. Shea butter is a moisturizer. Moisturizes your hair, it softens your hair, and it also makes your hair grow. Then we put on our source of heat. We melt up to when the shea butter and the beeswax melt. After melting, we get them off the source of heat and we put them down to cool a little bit. Then later we shall add lavender as our essential oil and also as our smell. We are not going to use any perfume. We are using a lavender essential oil. Then we mix so that lavender mixes with the solution that we had made. And after it has cooled a little bit, then we put our packaging container, which is sanitized. Then we put there and we leave to cool down. And our product, here it is, very cool and very nice. So it is ready to be used. Make sure it has dried, then you label. Label, and on the labels, make sure there is a manufacturing date and expiry date. Put ingredients and put its uses. It helps people to trust the brand when the product is branded. This product that we have made can spend between 1.5 years to 2 years. One thing to be successful in this business is to be honest. Sell genuine things. What you cannot use, don't give it to people. One of the challenges we have is that we have fake products on market. So you find you are selling a genuine product and another person is selling a fake product. So when someone takes a fake product and it is not working and he sees you selling the herbal product, say, those things don't work. And yet for you, you know you have a good product. There is a lot of unemployment in Uganda. So it would be very, very important if someone studied a skill, hands-on skill. Because with hands-on skill, you will create your own jobs and even employ others.
Thank you for watching this learning video. We hope you had fun learning this new skill. Check out more interesting learning videos like this on the Sawa World YouTube channel.